Hi friends, let's visit animals in the zoo. Come meet me. Let's follow the map. Mama, look Simba. I saw his movie.
Yes, he is lion, king of animals. Look, how does it roars? Yes, his roar can be heard up to 8 kilometers. You know, Yuk, lion is the bravest animal in the world.
Oh. Mama, look, elephant. He is so big.
Yes, elephants are world's largest land animal, and they are known for their large ears, tusks and trunks. Elephants also have the largest brain of any mammal. They are vegetarian. They eat plants. You know which animal is this?
This is tiger.
Oh, and how does it roars? Right, and their roar can be heard up to 3 kilometers. Tigers are very good swimmers. They have stripes on their body, and no two tigers have similar stripes. You know, tigers are national animal of India.
Mama, see bear. They are so big.
Yes, bears are large mammals. They eat mostly meat and fish. Bears have large brain and are one of the intelligent animals. Bears are expert in tree climbing. These bears have very good sense of smell.
Mama, look horse. They run so fast.
Yes, they are horses. And you know, horses have biggest eyes than any other land mammals. Horses can see 360 view at a time.
Ready?
Yes, really. They can see 360 view at one time. Horses mostly eat hay and grass. Horses can sleep standing also.
What is it?
It's crocodile. Crocodiles are reptiles. What is it?
Light.
Yes, they can move very fast over short distances. They have strongest bite of any animals in the world. Yes, their bite are very strong. They can survive a long time without food. They can eat variety of fishes, birds and other animals.
Mama, snake. Mama, I'm so afraid.
Oh, I am also afraid of snakes. You know, snakes are found on every continent of the world except Antarctica. Snakes can't bite food, they have to swallow it whole. Snakes smell with their tongue. Snakes shed their skin a number of times in the year. Some snakes are poisonous, while some snakes are non-poisonous. Python can grow up to 8.7 meter in length and are the longest snakes in the world.
Oh. Mama, let's go. See other animals. Hey, zebra. They look so cool.
Yes, they are zebra. Zebras can run very fast. They can even run faster than lion. You know, they are social animal. They always stays in group. They sleep standing. They have black and white straps and looks very beautiful. These zebras are very calm and cool animals. And you know, the zebra crossings on the road are named after white and black straps on the zebra.
Mama, I'm tired. Can we sit here for some time?
Yes, baby.
I'm ready. Let's go. Hey, so many monkeys. They are jumping. Five little monkey jumping on a bed. One पे दो पे monkeys है. माँ को doctor से no more monkeys jumping on a bed. Mama, they have tail. I know monkey likes banana.
Yes, monkey likes banana. They also likes nuts, fruits, flowers. Monkeys are very naughty creatures. See how they are playing? Yuk, which animal is this?
This is hippopotamus.
Yes, it's hippopotamus. Correct. Very good, Yuk. Hippopotamus are found in Africa. The name hippopotamus means river horse. They often called as hippo. They spend large amount of time in water such as river, lake, swamps. Hippos typically live around 45 years. They eat mostly grasses. Hippo can weigh up to 3200 kg. Hippo are good swimmers and they can hold their breath up to 5 minutes underwater.
Mama, see panda. They are so fluffy.
Yes, they are pandas. They are black and white in color. Pandas are native to China. They eat bamboo tree. They are good climbers. They can climb very fast. You know, panda's small babies are born in pink color and they have height of a pencil. They are so small.
Ooh, I saw his movie. Kung Fu Panda.
Yes, Kung Fu Panda is a very famous movie on them.
Hey, look, giraffe. He is so tall.
Yes, correct, Yuk. It's giraffe. And giraffe are the tallest mammals on the earth. Giraffes are herbivorous. It means they eat only plants. Giraffe even have super long tongues, which they use to grab leaves and birds from high branches of the tree.
Oh, so big monkey.
No, Yug, it's not monkey. It's gorilla. Yes, it's gorilla. Gorilla has hands and feet like humans, like you have. They have long arms than their legs. They use their long arms for knuckle walk. They eat plants and sometimes they eat ants.
It's ant?
Yes, they eat ants.
Oh, Mama, let's go see other animals.
Yes, they are deer.
Mama, what is there on their head?
They are antlers. Deer have antlers on their head. What is it?
Antlers.
Yes, antlers. Deer have antlers on their head, which they use to fight with other deer. Deer can jump high and can swim very well. They eat plants and grass.
Mama, these are camels. I had right on them.
Yes, you had ride on camels. Camel mostly lives in desert, but some of them found in cold weathers also. Camels can live without food and water for some days because camels have fat deposit known as humps. It's on its back.
Okay, Mama.
Which animal is this?
These are dogs.
No, these are not dogs. These are fox.
Fox.
Yes, these are fox. Look at them. They have long bushy tails and narrow faces. They have large triangular ears. Look at their ears. They have triangular ears. So this makes them exceptional in hearing. Foxes have small tummies. So they eat many small meals every day. Understood?
Yes. Mama, I see kangaroos.
Yes, they are kangaroos.
They are jumping.
Yes, they do not walk. Kangaroos don't walk. They jump everywhere. Their bodies are designed for jumping. They have short front legs and powerful back legs.
Mama, see baby kangaroo.
Yes, kangaroos keep their babies in their pockets. Kangaroos are brilliant jumpers and can leap as high as 10 feet. They jump very high. Kangaroos live in Australia. These are more than 30 million kangaroos living in Australia. Kangaroos do boxing fight in between them to decide who is the toughest.
Oh, okay, Mama. Where is animal?
See, it's there, small.
Mama, yes, tortoise.
Yes, these are tortoise.
I know. Tortoise and rabbit story.
Yes, you heard about tortoise and rabbit story, right? Tortoise have no teeth and ears. Tortoise can smell even the finest scents. Tortoise can live up to 250 years. Tortoise have shell on their back. These are for protection from enemies.
Mama, look, rabbits. There are so many. They are so cute.
Yes, rabbits are very cute. Rabbits have long ears, which can be as long as 10 centimeters. Rabbits have lifespan of 10 years and they like to eat plants. Rabbit lives in group. Rabbit teeth never stop growing. See, they have big teeth. Rabbits can jump as high as 90 centimeters in one leap.
Mama, which animal is this?
These are leopards.
Leopard?
Yes, leopards. Leopards are found in Africa, Central Asia, India and China. Most leopards are light colored and they have dark spots on their body. Leopards are skilled climbers and they like to rest on branches of trees. They are active at night when they venture out for food. They mostly spend their days resting and hiding. They can run very fast.